to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off, go off, so go off, go off, go off, go off. When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off, go off, so go off, go off, go off, go off. When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off, go off.
I think some of it will be down to when the bike's on the side, fuel goes everywhere and blah, blah, blah.
Yeah,
So that's what I'm putting it down to, mate. But let's get rolling.
Yeah, not worry about it just now, hopefully. Oof, gosh.
You all right round there, Ben?
Yeah.
I said, are you all right round there?
Yeah.
He's on the train already. On the train.
Has your navigation loaded up?
Yep. It's saying 15 miles.
Here we go. You ready? Okay. All loaded and ready to go.
Keep doing stellar farts.
Oh, lovely.
I just smelt that as well. I can taste it in my mouth.
Too much.
Oh. Yeah, horrible.
I see you know your smells well.
I do. Go on then. Let's go. We're going.
Has he gone, has he?
Yeah.
I'm sitting down the corner and waiting for you.
We good?
Yep.
Hurry up.
Oh. My bottom feels yesterday.
Yeah. Mine's...
Clear coming out.
We would hope so this time of the morning.
You never know, do you?
No, you do not ever know.
Could be dickheads that like us.
Yeah, crazy folk.
Anyone fancy
it's-
France?
Let me give me how long have we got to decide?
We've got 15
about
miles, mate.
Yeah, about half hour. Half hour.
After that, you're kind of committed.
Maybe for a few days. I think it'd be quite nice.
We're here now, aren't we?
Oh, it's a lot cooler than yesterday so far.
Yeah. A massive
Nice.
deja vu then.
Oh, baby fox.
Sure.
There's a glitch in the Matrix.
Is that the baby fox from yesterday?
Left.
Just taking it a little bit easy to make sure Eddie's actually okay.
Good. Good.
Can I go at the front, babe?
No.
Yeah. We'll know what to do.
You can just tell me, can't you? It's on fire. Oh, thanks.
You've broken down. I know.
Thanks. So we've got Le Shuttle, and then when we get off the other side, we head for the coast, and then move right down the coast for 280 miles.
Oh, it's 280 miles from when we get off.
Do you want the golden arches?
I'm all right for a minute, but does anyone else want?
Well,
Well, I'm fine.
we'll get one on the other
I'm-
side.
Yeah, I'm fine now.
What was the wrong?
Nope.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it seems to be. Like I say, I'm just being a bit cautious to start with.
Make sure the oil gets back where it's meant to be.
Yeah, he had a bad day yesterday, didn't he?
Calm
I
down
mean-
a little bit.
I don't care what anyone says. You're not supposed to turn a GS upside down.
They coat better than mine would if it was upside down. It's a bit
Racy
too close.
Racy McRacerson made it through.
Yeah.
Be-doo-be-doo-be-doo-be-doo.
Hey, go, go, go.
We're only dropping down onto the motorway now, aren't we? Right, is everybody good?
Yep.
Oh, yes.
Everyone happy with the plan?
Forward.
Yeah.
Right, Rach, you leading?
No,
After this lorry, we're good.
Rach, it's
No,
your
go.
adventure.
it's not my adventure.
It's our adventure.
I think we need to be in this one.
Well, did say to lead. That sun is bright.
Mm. Well, this is exciting. Shuttle, welcome! Bienvenue!
Come on, you can lead us through.
I don't know where I'm going.
Lead it away.
Surely guide us.
Ahead only.
We'll stay here, I like it. Feel safe.
Luxury villa, here we come. How to get on the shuttle. Step-by-step guide by Gamey.
About 300 metres ahead. It's got to be separate the freight from the normal people. Suppose you can have more going through together, could you? Ooh, this looks important.
Yep, pick a green arrow.
How did we end up in Birkenhead?
Have you got your fast tag, mate?
I don't know what that is.
What gets you through the tunnel?
Too late
Faster.
now.
Fast tag.
No.
Oh,
Yeah. Do you want to move over there and follow them through? Can't come in
Yeah.
there. I mean, there's green ones there.
Why did we get to the biggest queue? We're there now. We're there now.
what do you need here?
Everything.
Just go across. Go on. Go across.
Yeah, just go across. There's no one coming.
There's
behind
bikes
us.
coming.
So, we're ahead of
Oh,
the
are
queue.
we all going?
Yep,
Yeah.
come on.
No point waiting behind 4 cars.
Right, you're going to need your details here.
Oh, right, okay. They're on my phone, aren't they?
Yes.
He's checking.
Grab my glove there, mate.
You good over there, mate?
Yeah, we're good. We're doing it now. 8-digit booking reference.
Perfect.
Have you got your peg, Rach?
It's on my thing. It's in the tank bag.
But you're going to need it now.
Yep. No dogs.
There's
You
three
allowed,
people
yep.
present. Who may go?
Yeah.
Please declare your vehicle fuel type.
Have you opened your Le Shuttle app?
No,
Pardon?
no.
Press on departure time. 6:54. Yeah.
Yep. You just need your booking reference.
Yep.
Departure letter printed on hanger.
My bike is hot.
Yeah.
There you go, Guy. Here's your peg.
Oh, I've been pegged again. What's going on?
Peg, 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 peg.
Press to check in. Done.
There we go. It's all on the screen.
Enter my
QR code
digit
there.
number.
Okay, there we go. That's it. You'll go easy.
Yeah, I'm on it. 1
Let's stop here now.
4 1 6.
You may as well. Should we go?
Oh my god, my car. My thing
There'll
won't
be
go
a
into
waiting
neutral.
area, isn't there, with toilets and stuff that we can go to.
Yeah, we can just wait here for a sec. No rush.
I won't go into.
Great.
Oh,
That was very smooth.
Yeah. It was last time. wasn't
You don't need your app then, really, do you? Because it's all printed out on that. That's got
No.
the QR code.
it? It's the same thing. Yeah, probably. Yeah.
I'll turn my bike off and get off and do it.
Well, you'll be up here in a second.
Well, our bike's roasting.
Yeah, I know. You'll be up here in a second because I'm moving now.
It's very quick, Rach. Once you put your code in it.
I mean, you can turn your bike off while you're putting your stuff in. Just take your time, but
Just remember when actually I've got any pets, say, Easy doesn't count. So no.
Guy
just
Hobbit
one
with
gorilla.
a dog on board, and he's like, "Oh, I don't know."
1440, 4057.
There were no sheets available to me when I came.
You good, Ben?
Yep.
Are you coming through?
I'll stay here, but I've got no gloves on, so
Right. Well, do you want to pull up and put your gloves on first?
yeah, I'd like that. That was easy.
Yeah, it was good. They have perfected it, haven't they?
Yeah, it's not bad. Getting on's good as well, isn't it? They're so good.
Yeah.
Oh, look after you, don't they?
Peg's a good idea. Well, nice one, Rach.
Is yours on the outside? Mine was a bit
Inside.
flappy. Inside.
Yeah. All right. Everyone happy?
Yep.
Guy, when you're ready, mate.
Follow the leader.
Team Gamey.
We're Viking 1 and Viking 2. Thank you very much.
Can't be us saying all them words though.
Yeah.
This is very exciting.
Just wait till you get to the train, Rach. You'll love it.
Especially if you're sort of like dead near the front, and just riding along the train just feels weird.
Because you go at the front, don't you? So you ride along it for ages, and then
Well, it depends if people aren't there before you at the back.
yeah, it's quite cool going onto the train as well.
I can't see nothing.
No.
That's a
Right,
double
fine.
negative.
Staying on the right.
It's none.
What's my name? Into the motorbike lane.
Cool.
The bad thing is, just brings you out all the same place. This car's just going to park in the middle of the road.
What is he doing? Oh,
I had no idea.
Gone in the
What?
category of long vehicles.
Yeah. What do we do now? We parking up? What are we doing?
No, we'll go to the train, mate. We'll go into the queue and get there at the front.
Keep going.
I've got you a Red Bull in here.
Red Bull, what's my name? Don't reverse hours into me, please.
There's
Not
a
going to
pet,
France.
pet reception there.
Well-
I have to go and book myself in. Pet gorilla.
Hmm.
I don't think you're allowed road range as a pillion.
You are.
You absolutely
Even
are.
worse. Are we just taking a tour of the car park?
Yeah,
Yeah.
guys, guys just leading us round in circles. Who the fuck put Guy at the front?
Well,
Oh.
it was a questionable decision at the time. That poor girl was confused coming out.
Well, she's just done what we. Well, you're not allowed to, but just she's gone across, hasn't she?
Yeah.
You are
Totally.
meant to do what we're doing now, but it is a bit of a piss take, isn't it?
Yeah.
What number are we?
No,
Do we have a N?
Do we know what lane we're in, Guy? N. N, are we? N5?
The N.
I don't know what number we are.
Got a big N on it, innit?
no, 5.
We're N5.
Are we all going to be N5?
Yes. Otherwise, we're not going to be on the same trains, and that would be bad, okay?
Would be quite bad.
Can't wait to sit on them comfy train seats. Oh wait, hang on. We don't have a seat
I'm just sitting on my bike.
We're loose.
on the floor, didn't we? Do you
Yeah.
remember we sat watching a TV inside? Use all 4 lanes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Watch the cars coming across.
Yeah, and somebody else's car, wasn't it? Some kid was sat with an iPad behind it, and we were just watching their iPad.
No, it was it was an in-seat television, wasn't it? In the Audi,
Oh yeah.
I think.
How long does this normally take?
I think they
This
check
long?
passports here.
Oh, right.
Yeah, passports here.
Sometimes longer. But
Depends what mood they're in.
Good.
Oh, you've had the cheese ball.
Hello.
I don't think there was anybody here last time we came in, was there?
No, this bit we were straight on, really, weren't we?
We missed all the Liverpool fans. We were there a couple of days early, weren't we?
Yeah.
Fine.
We saw a few, but not many.
It'd have been absolute shocker 2 days later. All the Scousers. That was quite funny because we weren't
Go
even in the
first.
final.
Go up first. In fact, if I just pull up alongside a guy for a minute,
Fine.
I could get everybody on the camera. There's the feminine one.
Do you want to go in before me?
No? I was just getting us all on the same camera.
Come around.
Wave for the camera.
You've got one on your own bike. Come on, babe.
Like, be on all the cameras.
You have to remember to talk over his right shoulder, though. That's where the camera is. Otherwise,
Take that glove off.
when I switch over to you on the camera, it looks like Guy's talking in your voice.
Be like a little puppet on his shoulder.
Amy, take my glove off. Amy. Yeah,
See,
well,
what? Take your own bloody glove off.
unstrap it.
Do you know what you have to do? Take your own glove off.
I can't. Just take it off.
What do you need your glove off for?
Can't
So I can punch Amy with a clear thing. Amy, be careful, you'll pull us over.
God,
Do you
pull the
want my
glove
elbow?
off,
No.
pull us
Amy.
over. Your passport
Jesus
ready, babe.
Christ. You do realise this is
Babe.
very heavy.
Babe, get your passport ready.
I'm available for assistance if anyone needs it.
Well, you're fucking useless. You almost pulled us over then.
Take
Pissing
your own
about.
stuff next time.
Well, yeah. I tell you what, I'll chuck your fucking passport on the floor.
Neutral. There you go.
Bit of family drama.
Bit of family drama.
We don't do drama llama.
No drama llama.
Take your time, babe. Just sit there. There's no point in moving until guys go.
Charlie's gate.
I'm taking my time.
Oh, hang on. Yep.
Dee-dee-dee, beep-dee-dee.
There you go.
Thank you.
No drama llama.
Turn it on and off, wouldn't it? Cheers, pal.
They dues. They don't massively check who you are with a helmet on, do they? You could easily sneak somebody, you know.
I don't think they're bothered when you're leaving the country.
They're not even that asked when you get in. Because I always thought they'd want you to take your helmet off to like actually, you know.
You have to do that when you go and buy beer in the shop.
Or petrol sometimes. They're funny, aren't they?
Mm.
I've not had that just yet. Although I do feel like I look like I'm about to rob the place when I go into make.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, hang on. See, this is going to be a problem, isn't it? This whole neutral thing.
I'll adjust the clutch a little bit more in a minute, your cable.
It was all right.
Yeah, but it's been warm, hasn't it? So that means that the cable's potentially warmed up a bit. And I only made a tiny adjustment.
I was struggling to get my left foot up to put it into neutral just then. That's why I was trying
Thank
to
you.
take my glove off.
Morning, buddy. You good?
Well, hello, buddy. Wait, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1,
Do you want it off? Happy?
2, 1. Neutral! Woo!
Cheers, my mate. Thank you very much. Is he getting the bruise on?
Chose the wrong cue, look. Keeps letting them out.
You'd think there'd be like a little separate motorbike lane
Yeah.
for the skinny vehicles.
We get a close-up on the camera of Gamey now.
Oh,
Turning it
all
off
these
a minute.
people arriving for work looking happy.
Look how cool this fella is here. You see him?
Oh, the aviator's on.
Goose.
Too cool for
Too
schooling.
Cool for school.
He's like, yeah, man.
And passport control.
Highway to the danger zone.
Playing with the boys.
Oh, guy, he's called you out, mate. He said, I'm going to make this fat ginger bloke wait.
He did. He
I
said,
just watched
"Bullshit."
him. I watched
He
him
did,
say
he
it.
He said, bullshit, you can be my wingman.
The good job we said, let's go through and wait by the train, innit?
Yeah. Come closer, fella. Say again. Behind the silver car, yeah? Okay. All right.
All of us.
Cheers, bud.
Same. Go on, anyway.
I don't know why you had to tell me to go and park behind the silver car. Naturally, I would have done that if he'd have said nothing. But as it happened, I had to ask him to tell me 3 times because I didn't know what he was saying.
Well, to tell you stuff that you already knew.
Go and park by the silver car. Surely we can push to the front. Well, not. They don't know who we are. Bikers.
We're in another lane and go that way.
No, guy's been told.
He did tell me.
I'm not moving yet.
No, not me. Some prick will park in front of us, don't they?
Yeah, just keep turning my bike on and off.
Yeah, it's too hot to leave it running, isn't it?
Yeah,
I haven't even looked at the temperature this morning. What's it showing? Do we know?
don't know, my bike's off. Let's just push mine.
It is uphill.
Oh, I'm not pushing it anywhere then, am I?
Guy, might I say that your luggage packing today is significantly better than it was yesterday?
Well, I knew I had a critique with me, so I tried harder.
When you say critique, do you mean somebody that doesn't want to get taken out when your luggage falls off?
Call it what you want.
Right.
But, you know,
It was just a bit like the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
I definitely tried harder.
In this moment, a sense of revelation. My soul was bound, my future. It was stolen, but I found it. I found my intuition, my purpose solely written in your story. Oh. Something's coming up for me. Yes, something's coming up for me. Let it rise. Let it rise. Something's coming up for me. Yes, something's coming up for me. Let it rise. Let it rise. Wandering, seeking you, a passionate heart ensues. The fire's in our eyes. Something's coming up for me. Yes, something's coming up for me. Let it rise. Let it rise. Yes, something's coming up for me. Yes, something's coming up for me. Let it rise. Let it Pieces of my soul withdrew, colored in a state brand new. Now that I know the truth, my heart is alive in you. Pieces of my soul withdrew, colored in a state brand new.